Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Chairman Junior.
No sir, o de o born 19 why? Bombing come.
Chairman Junior.
Yes sir.
But that's it.
Mr. Medasi.
Say in commodity no yake kambom. And ema esa ema yeti for no amunya ntiase yi. I was say separating yama no ne chechiri mu. Se minu yi ka se hwe nkoso wotema. He's been economical with the truth.
Ade.
Ye wo enema mienu a se sei ekoso wotema. One, se opese o enter new declaration foforo. Now o tua o duty ko yu niema eno na wonya access to. Ho na problem bo. But se we tua o duty dada, aye process na could do a certain stage in the clearance process utimi yu niema. Ultimate, it's two separate scenarios.
Chairman, point of correction. As at Tuesday, that system was not working. The whole day, in fact, I went to MP. It was yesterday.
But Tuesday, it
was yesterday.
Thank you.
Yesterday.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'm saying something.
But I said this because MPS.
We are educating the public. In the separating the man, say opese o enter new system. Ebi afena opese o kutua duty nti o enter declaration na wakutua. Eno de wuntimi nye on the GCnet system. But say what process o documentation I could do a certain stage. Ebi awetua duty why examination ewie akase obekwa we bill na wafa you can clear. It is happening now.
That just why that before Tuesday. Before Tuesday.
We process no. And maybe shut down a buy, but ubetimi akoso akoyi. Na problem ni na then tina sa problem we aba. Emre o han kan pese me educate you listeners kakra from where we have come from to where we are today.
Nitie
GCnet eba ne saying before 2000 na your system bia you declare your niema from Habo, your friend Askuda, automated system for customs data collection. Na your paper. Now, along the line, Abain who said that if we are see for na the abefo and start custom processes. In Ghana was saying so yakoyenim. In 2000 Ghana buying Ecofa GCnet buy. The first generation of GCnet in the same night here. Your bar officer one computer ni sio na omudi omu CD biaba abe install software no so front end amount. No muko. In this front end no ADI no electronic data interchange and now on the customs be din kita ho. And they buy any mama a web based. Baby a wo e wiase afa na nyina no with your phone. Internet was with me access. In teacher say you improving from one stage to the other to the other. Sajari all the year omukin. Senior Minister Tron letter ni we and the Commissioner General wo GC na onu ni edwuma no. Another secular buyer say even though a buyer person rolling out the new system which is the ICOMS no because amount for nema already our system no because amount for processing ma menya na simple na obianti ase as a tema motorway a GCnet for there and na buyer say okay she say obianka woko akrati ma biate ma motorway na use but makoya spinters road a 4 lane so you fast my rest of my niema was so it will per se free 28 April obi a obeko akrate ma bia no ko fast spinters road so
okay
but before I bind this instruction eba no na e bia me fan say chairman na wo start you journey dada from Tobuta wetua a wonam so a wo ba won ende enti amanfo bebre na pass ne gu motorway no so enti aban say okay e san amanfo bebre ka gu motorway ni so enti no GCnet owner of the motorway men shut it down. Only me new road now me create no ICOMS spinters no mo be run side by side now obia was starting the journey motorway ni so no on exit
da ben about circular Dubai
28 ewa 28
at about 28th that was Tuesday what time
I can't tell cause
reason why I'm asking is yeah me say bisemu no that letter to GCnet to continue no about the night of 27th.
Chairman General, but there's a catch there. Even there was a letter on the 24th of April, an earlier one.
I see then.
Just up to 15th of May, that they should run side by side and make sure say near my woman that I know.
Are you saying say senior minister letter no, from mom someone shut it down 28th no? A letter on 24th, 2 days after that was I can someone call 15th.
Thank you.
80 how come someone shut it down 28th?
That is a big question for all of us.
Senior minister letter, commissioner general letter.
That was going to be my next question. Because still, senior minister say mon shut it down 28th. And our commissioner general say mon call up to 15th. At that point, we a G senator, which is which?
What is going to happen? Me person, me blame game na me play with her.
No, I say
24th April, no. 24th April letter they buy, no. It made reference to senior minister letter and say even though Abai say yes, you rolling out ICOMS on the 28th, but this are the guidelines. These are the flow chart that you follow because Amanfoɔ has already started their journey on your system on the motorway. A bimukra poka as in check or we can say in Japan send you a suspense regime or more Nemagu warehouse into the Kasi or China Fita Befix into Yamanfo Nemagu warehouse. There are a lot of the processes are
so not only weighing before senior minister letter.
Process everybody knows.
So why the rush?
It should happen.
Why the rush?
My concern now is that if you ask my fair opinion, GCNet didn't treat us fair.
GCNet didn't win
Metro India. So starting motorway, so to what to yato. Until only was social contract that you have to exit the motorway. Until GCNet say may send a declaration on your platform and meet your service fee amount 0.4%. It means was social contract. It is all the only any partner or the motorway any man. Misunderstanding it shouldn't affect me.
Thank you.
Nti ka omo twena yen a moagye service fee no ye no more social contract no yen ye de mfrim ye ye de mfrim wie na ne wo ne aban no ode moto we ni ma no mo problem bi amai e bi asida companies are aban ne omo contractor ya cancel they were able to hang on for a near my home system no be free time a West Blue eba na what destination inspection companies GSL, Bivac, Webfontaine, ICS, and others. No more issues FCVRs that are importers and traders. But I buy show mo say say mo FCVRs ne nyama ewo system no mu that are man for akwaji a bi mo so mo process ya mo muniti no. Hang on and make sure say agents and freight forwarders use FCVRs ni na clear no out of the system and so off. It's time ana West Blue for STT customs na classification evaluation no na still use destination inspection for no FCV and be so e the year near alongside enti ye expect say enka showing good faith no esan say any social contract why your service fee no at least my yentimi ye near my system no mu yentimi mfemu ne yenwie now whatever problems are only aban wo no only aban akotranse aka and yensu de yenya commissioner's order na say the commissioner general directive say you been alongside it you na any problem you say alongside be okay because time a GCNet buy na companies ni be running no on GCNet no na be so use as good me no ya ti your kind the company was one of the first companies that volunteered to test GCNet when it came in 2003
and it was good
at the time now it's IT it was good. Even though we had challenges, because at the time, because software is on your computer in your office. And to your challenge, you have to call them for them to come from Accra to come and solve the issues for you. But you're managing alongside and you improve your baby you do no.
But let me ask you something. Into GCNet West Blue, there are another problem in here we had to change.
For me, Ubusami, I make a just but me was simple answer be so meet me amount. Number one, currently systems are running. You will bear 3-4 vendors are providing services for customs division of the GRA. GCNet, West Blue, Banks Ratio, and send all cargo tracking note Ghana. obia provided different service. Obekwa kwaje ade we ho. No akwaje different thing wo obi ho. Mamiche obekwa kwaje cargo tracking note wo, cargo tracking gun. No akwaje customs classification evaluation report West Blue platform. So we are now the mienu na ba beto GCnet Ghana customs clearance system no so. Inti tot. And aban so feel say see baby a ye clearance process ebedru baby a ye koye ni makodu no ye hia a single platform, a single vendor sa enema operators me nsan ana na nyina ye no ye be on one platform. You start on it and you end on it. Why aban decided say odebekwa komo obi fufuro no mfa ma omo ye ndada me I can tell. But yembu say who say eyana to me very good. Very good because so the idea to platform so there are so many occasions you apply for CCV no maka say the cargo tracking note has not been validated into omonye hu adwuma na no so ahangi ho na bia cargo tracking note for so mo documentation we uploading na enye set into no so mo ntimi nya ma na ahangi ho. But in this instance, we are applying for CCVR on one platform. We will generate the BOE on one platform. The tax bill will be generated on one platform. You pay the duty on one platform. You go through all the clearance process on one platform.
And only single window, no?
And only a single window. UDPAS, Integrated Custom Management System.
Chama, yes,
the
process.
I do not. I didn't even say there's going to be a sales smooth process. I ain't problem da. Problems I mean enumerating. Yes, some are through. When even current GCnet we had problems. When GCnet started, we had problems. But as and when I had problem, no near souvenir or can training as them. GCnet they one day training. Training is a continuous process. At every point in time, system they call us and train us on that new changes. Wajiatum say the yanka say opposite a buying policy. No. You believe say a buying or decide how or person or mobilizing revenue. We are partners with customs when it comes to revenue mobilization collection. It's a new boom. It is a buying say first na me use Askuda. Me say enye na me be use GCnet. Me a buy kroya so me say dey be GCnet no me hwa any other vendors na dwuma no mo ye na mboa me it is say me person me use integrated customs management system. But there's a catch here, Chairman General. SaaS systems here none is owned by government too.
But government will stake one boy.
But government agencies will stake one. But way the integrated customs management system no nearby my atias and say a BOT. It becomes the property of government. Ghana Customs Division of GRA. After 10 years, if they have the capacity to run it. In Tiano and Kobasa or Chinebino company be so nearby a problem Timatum. No, will hold you now to ransom. Then you see. He say one company nearby a problem or Simatum. It will hold you now to ransom. Even though even though also I no social contract yet service fee amano ya boy declaration said nemu yentimi ene wo habo but ye tua cancel ama
Mami kwa humano smesa basis ya meba na minikio di atwa subium na ene Dennis so atwa so ora yere aba local aye obia oye adwuma ewo GCnet
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet